Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a player look like this. So we are going to be taking the simple steps in this tutorial, so let's get right into it. So guys, in making the character look like a shadow, all you need your player, and some light stuff if you like it or not. So what I just do is, what I have in my player, I really have the rigid body, the box collider, and the movement script with the capsule collider, which they are all here. You see, they are right here. My script for movement and the animation. So to make the player look like a shadow, all we have to do, we have to just change the layer. You can see my movement script. We have to change the layer. So if you don't have one of these layers, just right click on the sprite renderer on the short layer. You have to create one. If you don't have one, just create one like this. So I already have, so I just have to use it. So what I have to do now is to make the layer on the character layer. So once you set on the character layer, you can see the color change. So what you have to do next, you have to come to the color and take it down to dark. You can see. So if you hit play now, you can see already the character looks like a shadow. You can see it's already looking okay. So please, if you like this video or if this video help you out, please subscribe to my channel, please guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.